Alright, so we back again at the same gas station. Feel me? I'm about to get gas again. Feel me? I'm about to tap up. I'm about to leave New York right now. So I'm about to get some gas to go home. My last day in New York. My car dirty as fuck, I ain't gonna lie. I hate the fact that I gotta hold this pump. This pump is fucking shit. I hate holding pumps. I didn't get to go to the city, Manhattan City. I was supposed to take y'all with me to the city, and I didn't get to do that and shit like that. See, that's that little trick right there. And if the pump handle is ever broken, just put your gas cap in between and it will do it. For me, it will pump the gas for you. But get up out of here and shit like that. Let me check to see if I need coolant. Let me check my oil level. Man, I'm ready to go, bruh. I'm not gonna lie. All right, so we just took up to about $31, right? Now I'm lying. They made $40. But yeah, I'm gonna check my coolant. Check my coolant to make sure we sturdy. I think I might need coolant though, chat. I'm not gonna lie. I see coolant somewhere down there. Kinda look crazy. Oh, our coolant is not bad. It's above max. Okay, so we got coolant. I'm gonna test my oil level. Check my oil level. It's looking like we got more than enough. It's looking like we got too much. That's what I'm seeing, if you ask me. I did put some extra oil in it when I was coming up though. But yeah, it look like we got oil, we got everything that we need. So now I'm gonna pick up my cousin and show like that. Everybody get up out of here, chat. Word, it's time to go. I'm ready to go. I'm so ready to go home, bro. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I miss my house. I miss my house. Can't wait to go home. Can't wait to be home. Open up the valve. My last day, Mount Vernon. Throw it in Sport Plus. That shit sound crazy, chat. I ain't gonna lie. That shit sound crazy, chat. I'm not gonna lie to y'all boys. That shit sound crazy. Oh my God. Damn. Chat, I had a lot of fun in New York though. I really had a lot of fun in New York. Yup. Yeah, my burbles stop after a minute though. Like after a while my burbles stop. Anybody know why? That's not weird. I find that weird. I find that hella weird. Yo, bro, you gotta love New York though, bro. I swear to God, New York is really nice. And shit like that. For me. Yo, chat. This used to be my old block, bro. I used to live right here. I used to live right here in dirty ass Mount Vernon. That was my old block. I ain't gonna lie. Fuck this crib. Fuck the owner of that crib. Fuck this block. Fuck Mount Vernon. Word. Oh my God. Holy. Yep. Alright boys, so we on our way to Indiana. Y'all feel me? Nice one, boy. No cap. Nah, I ain't gonna lie to you. You really look good though, bro.
There's some missing spots.
Crazy.
Like, how do you do it on command?
No, it just does it by itself. I'll take it to the Bronx. When I'm driving home from the city, we drive there. Right here though. Bro, come on. We're on top of the bridge.
That sounds amazing, bro.
Sometimes you just want to hear the V8 too.
That's not bourbon. That's what he said.
It's good to hear the V8 too. It's raw, crispy sound. That's like it's called fire.
That shit is clapping back, gang.
It's like it's clap of fire just now, gang.
I like how that one sounds.
Alright, so we just stopped. Right now we have about, I don't even fucking know. I don't know how many hours we have left. Probably like about 6. Probably like 6 hours left. But we just stopped to get some gas. We just did about 4 hours non-stop. My car is running pretty good. She look good. It's been raining. It's been pouring really hard. Wow. Yeah, my car is running really good, bro. Like, I swear to God, she looks good. She's pretty clean right now, bro. I can't speed like how I would normally speed and shit. For me, I can't speed. Gotta take my time. Shit like that. But she's running pretty good, bro. I ain't gonna lie. She looks good, running good, sound good. Shit like that. I wanna check my coolant, but it's probably too hot. Yeah, that thing is too hot. My engine bay is pretty cool. It's not hot. Checking my boost pressure sensor. Make sure it's good. Car looks good. Still got that damage on the front. I gotta get that fixed. I'm gonna leave this open so she could stay cool. Alright, so right now I'm gonna grab a drink from the store. I'm gonna grab a little drink. Yo, it's still raining, bro. Holy fuck. I'll put on my coat. Hope my coat not blocking the camera. I'm just thirsty. I just need something to drink. And probably some snack. Mentos probably. And I'm good to go. Alright, so this got me a Monster. This is the mango flavor. You feel me? Word. But I ain't gonna lie, my car looking good right now though. It's looking good. Alright, we spent about $80 in gas. Not even about 80 plus. Cause I'm about to top it off a little bit. Chad, I don't even know how much is gas. How much is gas? Oh shit, gas is $5. What the fuck? I did not know that. I swear to God. I don't even be checking gas prices though. She looking pretty good. Like, she looks so fucking good, bro. I swear to God, like, I don't know, man. Like, can y'all boys even see? All right, we about to get up out of here, chat. Time to take on the road again. Road's rolling up, so I gotta take Tom for his bitch ass.
Pussy, you can't roll while somebody drive. You're not like me.
I can roll it and drive.
Yes, nigga.
Alright, chat. I'm gonna get y'all boys back later, man, when I get back to the crib. Word.